Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for overdraft protection on Simply, and it's really easy and simple. So what you want to do, guys, on your Simply financial account, just log into your Simply app or website, log in with your credentials, right? And then what you're going to do is you want to navigate to the accounts section, and then you want to select the account that you actually want to protect, right? Then you want to find the overdraft protection option. So look for the overdraft protection or a manage overdraft section. Then you want to basically select the coverage type. Okay, choose the type of overdraft protection you want. So Simply may offer linking to another account or a specific overdraft limit. So you want to go ahead and review the fees and terms. So carefully read through any associated fees and conditions for using overdraft protection. Then just go ahead and submit your request. So confirm your choice and submit your application, and Simplify will basically notify you once overdraft protection is activated on your account. And that's it, guys. Your account should then be safeguarded against inefficient funds. So I hope you found this guide of value, and if you did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next video.